The inaugural Round the Island Golf Tournament was deemed a major success as 16 teams made it to the green in what was an event organized by the Niue Golf Club to wrap up the year and kickstart the festivities. For many, it was a family affair and a fun way to round off the year, open to competitors from different age groups. Teams teed off at the golf course and started their takai, heading north, stopping off at each village. The competition was open for two divisions, the Ambrose team category, and a majority of the club members opted to play as individuals. A lot of fun was had by all, with a few sunburnt faces here and there. The committee were thankful to the village councils and the ecclesias around the island for allowing their grounds to be used for this historical event. But it was the Good Guys team from Alofi that took out the competition. In second place, Sonny Bill Williams Show, and in third, the team from Matavai, Cause You Can. In the individuals competition, the near pins went to Mark Chenery, Best Net, Hayden Porter, and Best Gross went to Sinhol Langalonga. Well done to all the teams and individuals, and looking forward to more involvement from the public in future events. Kwe lotu ne kwa mua te lahi ke moto kwe ekalisia Kirisiano di wei, kwa amana ke lato ke whamna tua e tu toka taha mahi matapatu lotu I Britania, ke aho lia mia Januari. Si ko pihia foki kwa amana ke whakakesi ki mua he whakaholoanga na. A lotu tau mamatua whakawhekau kwa whiwhiri fōu ke lata ia, moe takitaki anga he lotu. Ko ia ne ko whiwhiri ke lata I mana whoa Palestini kwe matua whakawhekau ko atapihingia. Kwe hana hangai kwe matua whakawhekau ko aifolia po mali. Koe tohi kupfo koe matua whakawhakau ko pēte sa siantuato. Koe tau hukui se akono koe matua ko au kusa pāwehi mo Kennedy tukutama. Koe hukui he tau urumotua koe matua ko Jack Reedy di pitoa. Mo hukui he FCW koe matua ko Matatahafa. Koe aho ke whamana te tūtongo tahe ka le sia Cristiano aniwe. Koe aho lima ia Januari ua whe moe hongfu mataha.